bawat naglapit sa'kin sa may kapal. At sa akin ay labis na nagpakahirap. Siya ang aking karamay sa pagkabot ng aking pangarap. Hindi iniinda ang pagod na nararamdaman upang ako'y mabigyan ng magandang kinabukasan. Ang lahat ng mahiligan ay kanyang handang ibigay, basta kung saan ako maligaya, doon na siya mapapalagay sa oras. Ang mga pagsubok dumating, ako'y humina, siyang magbibigay ng payo upang ang lungkot ko'y tumila. At kailan pa man ako'y hindi niya pinabayaan, itinuro niya sa'kin ang tanging tamang daanan. Magpakailan pa man hindi ko siya ipagpapalit, ano man ang hiningin niya sa'kin ay hindi ko rin ipagkakait. Pagkat siya ang sa'kin ay nagbigay ng buhay, inang mapagmahal na sa'kin ay umaalala. Para sa'king inay, sa'kin ay nagbigay buhay, nakaturo sa tamang landas, na ngayon aking tinatahak. At ito ay para sa'yo, na kinahandog ng puso kong ito, at inaalala para sa isang katulad ko.
Since I was born in this world, you gave me all the love that I needed. I feel so much care every time you always step for me. Give me strength when I'm weak, give me faith the times that I need. What can you say for a mother who always gave the best for me? Going back to the years when I was just a little baby. Yeah, no one else cares for me except for my beautiful mommy. And you fitness me up, and when I'm sad you make me love and give me share full of love. Thank God you're the best one that I got. And I disobey mistakes in so many ways. I've been to drugs, trouble, gamble, struggle almost every day. You lift me up when I was sinking, bail me out when I'm in prison. You always care for me and watching, keep on guiding me and helping. And now I'm holding up, my mind is open up. Can I give it back to mine? Please forgive me, I'm begging for all the sins that I've done. It's not too late to dedicate, it's in my heart just like a fate. 'Cause I love you, oh my mama, can I pay you back, God, before I fade?